morning all of you. Today we Mahesh Kumar is here. He will take care of session and everything. And he have 24 years experience and different verticals. He worked in state government 2 years and the central government 12 years. Total 14 years experience in government job and agri field. And he is expert in agriculture sector. And he worked in multiple locations, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Andaman Nicobar. After that he realized that he want to shift to private sector and he resigned from central government job, then he moved to private sector. Almost from last 10 years on he is working with Tata AI and he wants to give a financial health planning session. He will give the session. I am hand over to Mahesh Kumar and he is supporting to Vinesh also is there. Welcome to both of you to give the awareness section to us.
Thank you so much, sir. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
I am not a salesperson. I am not here for giving any sales. Okay, this will be a different session because I am not a salesperson. Again, I am telling you, and I promise you that I am not do a sales for you. Okay, so this is an awareness workshop. I have done almost more than 50 to 70 workshops all over Hyderabad, IT companies, different IT companies. So I just thank Meryl Fernandez for giving me, supporting me to create this opportunity, and Mr. Srinivas Pagari to giving me this opportunity to share the experience. Because I was working with Government of India for 12 years and State Department. Actually, I am from Kerala. So 2 years State Department I was working with Agriculture Department as an agriculture officer. Then I came to Government of India and I worked in different states like Andaman, Tamil Nadu, AP Telangana. Then I joined in Tata Life Insurance Company in 2010. This was an accidental joining this company actually. So when I joined, I just didn't like you people, I didn't like life insurance. So once I joined this company, I did learn a lot of things about financial planning. What is money? Anybody knows what is money? Okay, coming just before that, let's see what is the agenda for today's program. I'll take 1.5 hours. So I'm just sharing my experience. I'm prepared this PPT as per the different requirements. Okay. So this is the agenda for today's program. So planning for life is the first topic. And second, financial health check. This is the first time that we are introducing it. Any insurance company that we are introducing financial. What is financial health check? Awareness and protection. And we are introducing a new concept called life insurance savings account. Most of you will be having savings account as well as current account, but you have not heard about life insurance savings account, right? And last, financial solutions if you require. Very important part, your retirement income. And 5 big mistakes investors make in their life and how it impacts your life. Biggest money mistakes people make at different ages. And 5 things retiring people wish they had done in their 20s and 30s. I hope there is no 20s here. Everybody? So all are above 30s. Right, good. So this is one session which I will not include today because of time schedule, right? So these are the topics which we will be covering. Finish. And I would thank my colleague, Mr. Vinesh, who is supporting me. He is an executive life planner. So he is coordinating. He used to coordinate for me for all these activities in different companies, as well as in my office. Okay. Right. Okay. Now starting from before starting this, I just want to we'll have a one-to-one interaction. Before starting this, I just want to make you understand what is money. What is money? Can anyone define money? We'll have an interactive session. I don't want to give a learning session. Is it okay? Friends, is it okay?
Yes.
Now you are working for money. You are working here, right? All are working.
Yes.
Why you are working? For money. Can anybody define money? What is money?
So fulfill the necessary needs.
Okay. It is not a definition actually. Okay. Anyway, accept it. Okay. What is? Can anyone define money? What is money?
Exchange the material.
Sorry.
To exchange the material.
Okay. So nobody has asked this question before, I think. Anybody? Definition for money.
We don't know, but we are running after money.
You are running after money, exactly. Okay. Now money, you are running money, right? Okay. So, what is an asset? Just before that money, I'll just ask you one question. What is an asset? Which gives you money is an asset, right? Yes or no? Right? What is the opposite of asset? Liability. Okay. So asset gives you money and liability you give out from your pocket is going out. Right? So you are an asset for a family because you are bringing money to them. You are giving money to them, yes? Yeah. Right? So you are an asset for your family. So this asset, how long you will be an asset? Till you are giving them money. You will become a liability or not one day? If you have no money, you will become a liability, right? So that is where retirement income is very important. If you have no money, you are not an asset. You are a liability. So to avoid all this, we have financial solutions where you create a value for your life till you are alive. Actually, you are a money making machine, yes, for a family. Right? You are money making machine. So will it stop someday? Making money. Will the machine stop one day? Yes. So to avoid certain things, there are solutions for us, for you. So that is where we help for that solutions, right? Now coming back to the presentations. So Tata you have heard, I don't want to mention more about it. Tata, 150-year-old company, this is one of the group. 150-year-old company, I'm not going into that. Have you heard about Tata AIA? Tata AIA is a joint venture between Tata Group and AIA. Have you heard about AIA? AIG you may be heard, right? AIA is one of the group of AIG.